Hi and welcome. Today we're making dehydrated meats called Kadid. I'm making it a little bit because it's easy to make just little by little. I need a little meat. I have, you can do the lamb. It's a beef. So it's just a very easy recipe. You need coriander, maybe like two teaspoons of coriander. We need salt, at least maybe two, the same, 2 teaspoons of salt. If you're making more, so you add the salt because it needs salt. And then maybe around 2 teaspoons of oil, regular oil. Do not put olive oil. Mix it nicely. If you have the dehydrator machine, use that. It will be dehydrated in like maybe, I don't know, 8 hours or so. Otherwise, if you don't have it and it's summertime, you can just put it outside. It will take 3 days. Just put it outside all day and then bring it in the end when the sun goes down, and then repeat it for 3 days, and that's how you have it will get dry. But so whatever I'm doing now is just a little bit. So I'm gonna put it on a rack if you have a cookie rack or anything. So this is after 3 days. I put it outside. You see how it turns black? And make sure it's really dry. And then when you bring it inside, just cover it and then don't leave it uncovered. And then bring it, when you take it outside, just take the cover out and leave it in the sun. So now we're just gonna cut it in small pieces, like that, small pieces. And we're just gonna put them, you see they're really dry. So cut them like that, and we're just gonna put them in a little bit of oil. Let them simmer in maybe around maybe 5 minutes. So you're gonna put them in a pan like that, and we're gonna add maybe around half a cup of oil. Let them simmer. Let it simmer for a little bit, like 5 minutes. And that's it. You just put it in a glass container and put it in the fridge. And I have a recipe that I made it with it, so I will link it. And that's it. If you like this recipe, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in next video. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.